Hi, my name is Andre Kindness, Principal Analyst serving Infrastructure and Operations at Forrester Research. I want to tell you about some recent research. In January, Huawei commissioned Forrester Consulting to evaluate the current state and future trend of automated data center networks in the enterprise. We conducted a survey with 197 networking leaders from medium to large enterprises worldwide. And we found that those leaders are generally aware of the value brought by network automation and have been actively pursuing automation practices within the organizations and within the infrastructure itself. However, most enterprises still operate at a lower maturity level, and only a few of them have managed to create highly autonomous network infrastructures. This report that I speak about highlights 4 key findings. First, multiple digital initiatives require more from data center networks. And data center networks feel the impact of cloud, and cloud applications are part of the suite of applications that businesses are using. With business using private and public cloud, it requires a more resilient, dynamic, and intelligent data center network because they're intertwined together. And the business can't differentiate between the two and is dependent on both of them. 2, network infrastructure and operations are behind in automation. A majority of the respondents are reported to be in stage 2 and 3 of automation, and this is out of a scale of 5. We found that network planning, construction, operation, maintenance, and optimization are still relatively behind and require a lot of manual executions in that environment itself. 3, outdated networking approaches, infrastructures, and operations hinder the adoption of network automation. Data center network automation requires standardization, but network infrastructures and technologies are filled with one-off interfaces, proprietary protocols, different deployment environments of multi-vendor devices, which creates network operation, maintenance, and management breakpoints. These one-offs require manual types of updates and changes in there, which then opens up for security holes and issues throughout the network itself, or one-offs creating extra work and trying to identify and fix the problem through different avenues of information. 4, data center network automation requires prudent planning and clear goal setting. Creating an autonomous network requires network virtualization, a distributed architecture, programming interfaces, and applications and orchestration types of tools, development interfaces itself, and decision makers should be careful to evaluate the current state of their global network in systematic approach, and form a clear plan and develop a more practical roadmap. And this requires looking at skills and processes and procedures in the infrastructure and laying that out and looking at where it falls into the levels of 1 through 5. And then from that, identifying what it takes to get to the next step and laying out a roadmap over a 5-year period to enable that to happen. Thank you very much. My name is Andre Kindness, Principal Analyst serving Infrastructure and Operations at Forrester Research.